How come it did that?
It's Rafa, and today I'll be teaching you how to do cream frosting. So the ingredients are cocoa powder, icing sugar, some cream, 2 bowls, and I think that's it. And you also need a spoon, a sifter, and a beater. Okay, so the first thing is to sift 2 tablespoons of tablespoon. That's one. Now I'm just gonna smooth it out so it can go in. We sift it because we, what?
So that it's not lumpy.
So it's not lumpy, and you don't want a lumpy frosting on your cake. And now I'm going to take the sifter away and put the cream in. You want about 1 cup of cream. Mix it. I'm just going to beat it.
Turn on the power and then start. Oh, start it. Put it in first before you start it. Yeah. Highest, all the way high. One hand hold the bowl. Put it straight or else it will fall. Stop. Put it in. Yep.
It's good.
Put it in and lift it up. Lift it up. See, it sticks up.
Yeah?
Yeah, so it's done.
I finished the white cream. Now I'm going to do the brown cream. So for the brown cream, you need same 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. Also, you need 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. One, 2. Now just grind it up. So now I'm going to put the cream in. So this is what turned out when I grinded it. Another 1 cup is fine. And just beat it up. See how it's around. Like the white one, and the technique is what I like swirl it around. You see the lines there, you want it to come up. So I just
check if it's done?
I think it's done now.
How do you check it's done? Put it in and up. Is it staying?
Yeah. So now it's time for the icing. So first, you put this all the way down. And then just snip here. I'm gonna choose this one.
That's a good one. Is the multicoloredness working out for you?
Yeah.
And why do you twist it down? What are you doing when you twist it down?
So it could all go out and everything out. Whoa.
How come it's got that shape on it? That's...
Because the tip is like a star shape.
Is it?
Yeah.
Can I give you a hint? You gotta hold the top or else it keeps flooping up to the top.
Okay, so
Looks so cool, Rafa. Whatever you're thinking in your head, is it working or is it not quite working?
not.
That's good practice though. Looks cool.
You could finish.
I like the multicoloredness. That one has so many.
Yeah. Now I'm just gonna put
Ooh, two got left out.
Yeah.
That's all right, I'll do that one.
Now I'm just gonna sprinkle this in. Ha! Ha! Like these mini chocolates that we cut.
Look really good, Rafa.
So this is the end of my channel. So you can see here, I was like trailing it all around and then just put sprinkles in them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hope you like it and share it. Bye.
What's the evaluation, Gabri?
The icing definitely tastes like chocolate pudding. It's way good. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Yeah, subscribe to our channel. Bye. Bye. Yeah.
Okay.
That's two.
Hold it.